Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have another Magnum ice cream to taste, and this one is vanilla caramel flavor. And this one is some kind of light version, it's no sugar added and only 154 calories. So I think this will be less sweet than the other Magnums I have tasted before. And of course it's made by Unilever Corporation, very good company. Here's nutrient values if you wanna check, and it's Rainforest Alliance, certified cocoa sourcing, very nice. And just look at the packaging, you gotta appreciate how well they package their products. Like, this is like luxurious, look at this. They're shining things all over the place, and some guys swirls over here. And the color theme is also very nice. I think it fits well with the no sugar added theme, when it's like a little bit more light over here. But yeah, let's see how it looks like. Let's open it up. ASMR. Ooh. Flavor. Here we go. Nice. Looks like it's a little bit cracked because I think when I got this home I had many groceries and they crushed it, but it's fine, it's not gonna affect the flavor. Yeah, just the basic Magnum from the outside, nothing else. Let's go ahead and taste it up. Okay, here we go. Magnum vanilla caramel, light calories, no added sugar. Let's see how it tastes like. The smell, classic Magnum chocolate on the cover, very nice. But how does it taste like? Let's see. Cracking nicely. The chocolate is good. No difference here. What about the ice cream inside? It's vanilla, fully on vanilla. Is this light version? It's really sweet, despite being like a no added sugar version. How is this possible? I like it. Really good. 10 times better than the Ben & Jerry's Euphoria light version I tasted. Look inside. There's the caramel swirls around. You can taste it's less sweet than the other Magnum flavors, but still it's good. Maybe the other Magnums are too sweet. This is perfect amount of sweetness in my opinion. What? Only 5% sugar per 100. Can you guys see that? Only 5 grams of sugar per 100. That's insane. Like usually they have 20. But they still taste good. I don't believe it. Really nice. The vanilla, I think it's the vanilla that's bringing the flavor. Just vanilla alone is enough to flavor up the ice cream. You don't need to add sugar or any other things. And you can see the caramel amount in this ice cream. Like, it's really low amount of caramel, which is bringing the perfect amount of sweetness, just enough to boost it up a little bit. Yeah, it's good ice cream. Like, I'm positively surprised. I didn't believe like light version will taste this good. Look, I'm almost finished, even before the review is over. That's how good it is. I think this is perfect ice cream for people who are on a diet and they want less calories, but they don't want to lose the having this moment of happiness with ice cream. Like when it's hot outside, you have to have ice cream. Like it should be a basic human right to have ice cream sometimes. So if you're on diet, you can eat this at peace. And the flavor wise, it's also good. Like I think the flavor alone is 8 out of 10. Like it's not the best ice cream I've ever tasted, but considering it only has 5 grams of sugar per 100 grams, that's gonna give it bonus points, 1 whole bonus points. So the overall rating of this product will be 9 out of 10. It's really good despite being a no added sugar version and only 154 calories. Like that's insane. Thank you, Magnum, for another great ice cream. You never disappoint me, Magnum. Always good ice cream. Small stick remaining. So yeah, leave a comment and tell me if you have tasted this ice cream before and did you like it or not. I will see you guys in the future videos, so make sure to hit the like button, it really helps out a lot, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.